In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add questions when you join a Discord. We'll set up Discord's onboarding so people see and answer pre-join questions before entering your server. This helps you learn about new members, route them to the right places, and keep your community organized from day one. Start by opening Discord. You can use the desktop app or a web browser. The desktop app usually makes navigation a bit smoother. Make sure you're signed into the account that has permission to manage the server. If you don't see certain options later, it often means you need the manage server or administrator permission. Next, select the server you want to configure from the left sidebar. Click its icon to open the server, then look to the top left where the server name appears. Open the server menu and choose Server Settings. This is where all your configuration lives. In the settings sidebar, find and click Onboarding. This feature guides new members through a short setup flow tailored to your community. If you've never used it, don't worry, Discord walks you through each section. You'll begin at Safety Check. Take a moment to review Discord's requirements and recommendations. This section helps ensure your server is prepared for onboarding, with basics like appropriate channels and moderation settings ready to go. Move into default channels. Here you confirm which channels a new member will see at first. It's a good idea to include your rules, announcements, and a clear starting point so newcomers aren't overwhelmed. Now head to customization questions. This is where you shape what you learn from members and how you direct them. These questions can help segment interests, roles, or experience so people land in the most relevant channels. Open pre-join questions. This is the crucial piece for adding the questions that appear before someone fully joins. You can use short answer prompts or multiple choice options. Keep questions concise, ask only what you truly need, and consider how answers will inform roles, access, or recommendations. For example, ask about interests to route members to topic-specific channels, or include a brief code of conduct acknowledgement to set expectations. When you're satisfied, click Next. That moves you forward in the onboarding flow and keeps your progress in place. As a final tip, aim for clarity and brevity. 3 to 5 focused questions is usually enough. Avoid collecting sensitive information and make sure your questions align with your community guidelines. Test the experience with a test account or ask a moderator to try it so you can refine wording and channel suggestions. With that, your Discord will welcome new members with a simple, helpful pre-join experience that sets everyone up for success.